She's the one I'm loving, the one I hate to lose, and the one I hate to lose, the one I hate to lose, the one I hate to lose. When I said no, sure enough I do. A little old rock and roll, real rock and roll. You do know this song, yes. Bo Diddley. I actually got to, I met Bo Diddley once in Belgium, out of all places. And, well, I didn't know that he was there. And I was playing at a festival, and I knew that he was going to play later on that weekend, but we were only there one night, and Little Richard was there too that night. And in Belgium, I would say their laws are a little bit more relaxed about what you can wear on stage. Little Richard had a couple of dancers that were, it was outstanding actually. And wow. And they kept taking off more and more, and I'm thinking, he made my big toe shoe out of my boot. Yes, it's over, as Little Richard would say, yeah. But I'm sitting there, and they had a wonderful catering job going on at the back, and I'm sitting there ordering food, and Bo Diddley just happens to sit beside me and he goes, "You think they got spaghetti here?" I went, "Well, we can ask." And then we just talked, and he was just a wonderful, wonderful man. And so but you know, and I didn't get to see show because we had to leave the next day, but he was there a day early. Did anybody see him at the Rainbow?
I heard like the day after him.
He actually played the Rainbow. No, nobody saw him.
Missed
No,
that one.
no,
94, 95.
no. You guys were way too young back then. You couldn't even get into clubs. You were a baby. Well, that was the reputation, anyways. I walked 25 miles, wow, wow, and a rattlesnake for a necktie. Brand new house on the roadside, it's made out of rotten snake hide. Big old chimney, made on top, made out of humans. Coffee, it might be a spoonful of tea, just a little spoonful of your love, baby. It's good enough for me. Some people lie about that spoonful. Some people cry about that spoonful. Some people die about that spoonful. 'Cause everybody talking about that spoonful.
Nobody's sure Mr. Knickerbocker's hat. I said, shine, shine, a Roosevelt time. Salvation, I'll be seen a while up in a hole. Salvation, I'll be seen a while up in a hole. Oh, went to heaven in a little rowboat.
we'll do one more and. Okay. We've done it all.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, very good. Very good. All right.
A little shuffle here. Start with a shuffle, end with a shuffle.
Give me 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.